IAR is a software embedded development company. We've been in business 40-something years. We predate GCC, and we started in Uppsala, Sweden. We've been there ever since. And we do development tools, both on traditional business model and also on a platform subscription model. I think Microchip has really gone above and beyond, if you want to look at it that way, because everything's been top-notch. From the classes to the exterior examples of Microchip in action, to the dinners, to keynotes, to just the location. Everything's been top-notch, and it's really been a great learning experience. So what I really like at Microchip is how you've put together so many different examples of Microchip in action, utilizing all different chips from different designs, from different industries, and being able to show people hands-on how they can utilize the parts. That's been great because it spans many ecosystems.